I'm Kurt Frantom, and I live in West Monroe.
I'm Misty Frantom, and I live in West Monroe. So on June 15th of 2021, I was at home with my youngest daughter while the plumber was working on the hot water heater.
And unfortunately, the plumber made a mistake and didn't get a tight gas fit on the line, which caused a house fire. And so the problem didn't lie with him per se as much as the insurance company. This would be his insurance company, not our insurance company. What they saw and what we saw with our contractor, it just didn't add up. And so we kind of went down a road with them, and we finally just got to a point where we met a roadblock. We needed to bring someone in that understood how insurance works. We needed an advocate, and we needed that advocate to work for us.
John made it very easy for us because of the stress and the anxieties, the fears, the unknown, and just being able to have someone to talk to kind of understand the process. Because when you're talking to insurance companies and they're not your insurance company, a lot of times they're trying to throw things at you and they don't really explain what they're talking about.
He kind of prepared us for the steps, what kind of to anticipate, and that really made a big difference to us. He was able to bring in some professionals to help support our case, to help support our contractors, and you know, it was just amazing the expertise that he was able to bring into by bringing in these professionals. We had a company that he sought after, which to me made a big difference because they brought validity and support to what we were saying. And so that's something certainly I would not have been able to do on our own. And so it's just that level of experience and expertise that I thought that really made a difference. I feel like just the staff in general was fully invested in it. I felt like, you know, not just John, but we worked a number of times with his staff, and they were very helpful. They were good communicators, you know, and to me that's a big deal.
It was easy communicating. Laura was our contact, and so if I had questions, we would email back and forth, or I could call her or call John, and it made the process easy, and it was very helpful knowing that they were just a phone call away. I would highly recommend John, whether it's a house fire or anything related to your property or a car accident. I would recommend him and his staff to be honest with you, truthful, and for him to put your best interest at the forefront of the whole process.